Two giants, one choice. Which cloud should you bet your career on in 2025? AWS or Azure? I will make this simple. By the end, you will know exactly which to pick first, and the one I don't pick might surprise you. Welcome to CloudGeniusHub. I'm Amit and I have worked 15 years in telecom and cloud. I help engineers and non-tech folks switch to cloud and AI without confusion. If that's you, subscribe and we make complex things simple. So quick map. I will compare AWS and Azure on 5 things you care about. AI, developer ease, real world telecom fits, cost, and how hard it is to move later. No fluffs, just what matters. Let me tell you one story. Everyone likes story. So think of clouds like supermarket. Now AWS is the giant hypermarket. Every SL, every brand, every gadget, everything is there. Sometimes overwhelming, right? But you will find exactly what you want. And Azure is the big mall next door. Lots of stores, but it's built to work with Microsoft stuff you already use, like Windows, Active Directory, Teams, Office 365, right? So if your company loves Microsoft, Azure feels like home. If you want maximum choice and global reach, then AWS often wins. 2025 is the year of AI everywhere. Both clouds now offer powerful AI tools, but they approach it differently. AWS is building tools for production AI, systems you can ship, scale, and control. Think of it as a factory floor for AI. But Azure focuses on embedding AI inside applications people use, like copilots in Teams, copilots in Office, GitHub, so businesses can get AI benefits first, right? So if you want to build an AI product that runs at scale, AWS is the choice. Or if you want AI to make your company's day-to-day work smarter, right way, Azure can be faster to adopt. So which one helps you actually ship code faster? If you live in Visual Studio, GitHub and Windows, Azure reduces friction. It's comfy. If you love trying different tools, tinkering and need niche services, AWS gives more options, but that choice can be confusing at first because there are 200 plus services of AWS. So my tip is pick the one that gets you building in weeks, not months, and you will learn the other later. Now my telecom friends, your networking, performance tuning, reliability instincts are gold in cloud. So you want to run network functions in the cloud or at the edge, then Azure's hybrid story can make migration smoother if your operator uses Microsoft stacks. But most of the operators doesn't adopt Microsoft Azure for their network applications. If you are building a global IoT backends and custom GPU clusters, AWS often has the edge in region coverage and specialized instances. Bottom line, your core skills map directly. You only need to learn cloud tools, not reinvent everything, right? Nobody likes bills. Here's a practical rule is finance operation beats sticker price. That means tools and habits to manage cost, auto scaling, scheduled shutdown for development environments, right sizing instance. Both cloud offer cost tools. Neither saves you if you leave your servers running 24/7. So small changes can cut bills 20 to 60% in real projects. So do the basic fast. Now managed services are fast, but they can lock you in, right? If portability matters, containerize your applications with Kubernetes and use infrastructure as code like Terraform, CDK. If speed is your priority, use managed services, but always keep an escape plan. Now let's discuss about the decision framework. Quick framework you can use right now. Are you work in a Microsoft heavy company? Then start with Azure. If you need the widest service set and global coverage, then start with AWS. And if you are new to cloud and unsure about it, then start deep in one platform and learn the other later. And for AI work, if you want AI inside business application, then use Azure. But if you want full control of production AI, then learn AWS. From my telecom experiences, if you're a telecom guy, then start with AWS, because most of the telecom operators adopts AWS, not Azure. And also most of the infrastructure telecom vendors, they have their own private cloud. But those operators who are using public cloud, they are opting AWS. So start with AWS first. So if you're starting this week, here's the 3-step mini plan. Pick a hands-on lab, deploy a simple web applications on Azure or AWS, and automate it with a script or Terraform. Add one AI feature like chatbots or sentiment API. Do these 3 things in 7 days. You will have a powerful portfolio piece to show to the recruiters. If you found this video useful, hit like, and it helps others to find the video. And tell me in the comments, which cloud are you learning from today? AWS, Azure, or both? I read every comment and I will pick the most popular choice for our next deep lab. In the next video, I will do something fun and enjoyable. Keep in touch and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. I'm Amit. See you in the next video. Thank you.